Last team pull up gang shit, man. I be counting down fucking hoes in my spare time. Flights, nigga, out, you swear the boy was a airline. Rapping till I die, nigga, this right here, red grind. Why steady pushing bitches back like Tory Lane's headline? But that ain't a diss, though. Rolling with my Crips, though. Shout out to my blood niggas, yeah, that be my kinfolk. Straight up out the gutter, bitch, I been broke. Nowadays, I'm getting to the money like I'm scoring in the end zone. How I stay damn strapped up, that's on 10 toes. Getting to the guala, nigga, fuck, I need friend folk. I just need the bands, ho, for every fucking night that I was dipping in the bucket, yelling fuck it with my hands low. I'm finna hit this lick, nigga. Finna get these chips, nigga. Cause I came from nothing, dog. I really came from shit, nigga. Had to switch it up, now it's grind time. Heard your partner got a new chain, but it ain't like mine. Heard he tricking on his bitches, fuck that dog, I pipe mine. I swear to God, this coke will bring the freaks out in the nighttime. Ayy, now I got your shawty on some done shit. Dick all in the mouth, bust a nut all on the tongue shit. Oh, bitch, did me dirty, nigga. I ain't been in love since, and now I'm fucking bitches on the beach like I'm young bitch. And nigga, ain't that some shit? These other rappers just runner-ups. AP hit my line like nigga, it's time to fuck it up. Flip the work, watch it double up, kill a track, run them numbers up. Now I'm in this bitch, I got it jumping like it's double dutch, I'm on one. Fuck that, bitch, I'm on two. Hop up in the Tesla, I show you boys how I don't move. Do the shit how I don't do. Kill the beat like I'm Don Q. Tell Flex to hit me with a text, let's show him what a bomb do. Ayy, now I'm clocked in, where the true car. Bitch, I started rapping cause my mama need a new car. Riding through the south, bumping pip shit. Car automatic, but your bitch working that stick shit. I been broke forever, now I'm flexing on that rich shit. Blue faces on my pockets when my pants was on some crip shit. Straight up off that curb like a motherfucking kickflip. Get so much pussy that I wish I had 6 dicks, nigga. Mixtape on the way, bitch.